Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology, mental disorder, pathology, mental diseases. And I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypomania. Now, there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena.
He's not here today.
And I sort of
He might be back next week.
This discipline where
in any
I
event, I'm hosting his show, the Jeff Richards Show.
Non-musician.
And you have the fundamental color of the ocean itself. So the ocean has this fundamental color called the primary or the pathological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone